It's the one time where both Chinese and Western companies can come together, showcase their innovation, provide their lessons learned, make more connectivity. I think it's a terrific platform. We didn't consider China only as an import or an export market. So it is one of the pieces that needs to be there. For import and export as a manufacturing and innovation place. The CIIE is important. Our core strategy is grow with China dynamically and truly be a local Chinese company in China. We did not treat China as just a low-cost manufacturing place. In fact, that was never our focus, because we knew the day will soon come when China's living standards would have risen quite a bit. We treated China as a dynamic, bustling end market that is going to grow and become a major world economy. If you're not totally part of the dynamic growth of China, you cannot be called or accounted as a true global multinational company.